I tried many things, running, gyms, and it doesn't work at all.
I was going to the gym for months. I saw no change.
I used to go to the gym, picking up weights and flexing my muscles in front of the mirror. Wasn't working.
The overwhelming majority of all gym memberships are a complete and utter waste of your money. All a gym membership does is give you access to a room, nothing more. It doesn't guarantee you're actually going to visit that room. And if you do, that doesn't guarantee you're actually going to work hard when you get there. And if you do, that doesn't mean you're actually going to go and eat the right food. This January, Circuit Factory for the first time is introducing a membership scheme. This is going to give people affordable access to a world-class fitness service with one key difference from the traditional gym membership.
I've lost about 9.5 pounds.
I needed to lose a lot of pounds and I've done that and I'm absolutely delighted.
All my clothes. I lost almost everything.
Better than I could have possibly wished for. Life changing.